China's automotive industry hasn't just evolved, it has detonated. While legacy giants from Detroit to Stuttgart are still struggling to balance old-school manufacturing with the rapid shift toward software-defined vehicles, Chinese brands have done something no one expected. They stopped catching up, and instead, they started rewriting the rules entirely. The year 2026 is the breaking point. This is the moment the Great Six arrive. A new generation of full-size Chinese SUVs that aren't just bigger, faster, or more luxurious, but smarter, more capable, and more extreme than anything ever built on four wheels. These are vehicles that can float in water for 30 minutes, spin 360 degrees like a tank on dry asphalt, and even launch surveillance drones directly from their roofs. These aren't just cars anymore. They are mobile fortresses of innovation, engineered with one clear objective: to dismantle the dominance of legends like the Cadillac Escalade, the Range Rover, and the Mercedes-Benz GLS. In this video, we're counting down the 6 biggest, boldest, and most technologically advanced Chinese SUVs coming in 2026. From quad-motor monsters producing over 1,000 horsepower to battery-swapping luxury lounges that feel like private jets, these machines will permanently change what you expect from an SUV. And trust me, the #1 vehicle on this list breaks the laws of physics. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because we bring you the most exclusive deep dives into the future of mobility. And what's coming next will shock the entire automotive world. We start at number 6 with a vehicle that doesn't just change how you drive, but changes how you refuel. Meet the 2026 NIO EL8, known in China as the ES8. Measuring over 5,100 millimeters in length, with a wheelbase stretching beyond 3 meters, the EL8 dominates the road with what NIO calls sophisticated minimalism. But its size isn't the real story. The real revolution lies in its battery-swapping ecosystem. While electric vehicle owners around the world wait 30 to 45 minutes at charging stations, NIO owners live in a completely different reality. You pull into a 4th-generation NIO power swap station, the car aligns itself automatically, and a robotic system removes the depleted battery and installs a fully charged one in under 3 minutes. By 2026, NIO's swap network is expected to cover major highways across Europe and Asia, making long-distance EV travel faster than refueling a gasoline car. Underneath the body, the EL8 is a performance powerhouse. A dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers 644 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque, launching this 3-ton SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Its advanced air suspension scans the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting instantly so potholes and imperfections virtually disappear. Inside, the cabin feels like a first-class airline suite, featuring a 22-way adjustable lounge seat with a full leg rest. Powering it all is NIO's Atom supercomputing platform with 4 NVIDIA Orin X chips, delivering over 1,000 TOPS, enabling true point-to-point autonomous driving in both cities and on highways. At number 5 is the SUV that single-handedly redefined the family car in China, the Li Auto L9. For 2026, Li Auto turned the luxury dial past 11. The L9 uses an extended-range electric system, combining the smoothness of an EV with the freedom of long-distance travel. A 1.5-liter turbocharged engine never drives the wheels directly. Instead, it acts purely as a generator, keeping the 52.3 kilowatt-hour battery charged and delivering a staggering combined range of over 1,400 kilometers. But what truly makes the L9 special is its interior philosophy. Li Auto calls it the mobile home, and they mean it literally. Every seat in the first and second rows features 18-point hot stone massage functions that can heat up to 45 degrees Celsius. An intelligent refrigerator can chill drinks to 0 degrees or warm baby milk to a precise 50 degrees. The tech experience is just as extreme. With a 15.6-inch 3K OLED screen for the front passenger and a massive 21.4-inch screen that drops from the ceiling for rear passengers. Combined with a 21-speaker Dolby Atmos system and 4D vibration units in the seats, the L9 transforms long road trips into a rolling private cinema. Number 4 brings us to something far more aggressive. The GWM Tank 700 High 4T looks like it belongs on a battlefield rather than a city street. Designed by Great Wall Motors, the Tank 700 features sharp angles, exposed hardware, and a wide stance that makes a Land Cruiser look small. But beneath that brutal exterior lies one of the most sophisticated hybrid systems ever built. Intrigue. A massive 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 is paired with an electric motor integrated into a multi-speed automatic transmission, producing a combined 516 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. This SUV is a true off-road weapon, equipped with 3 mechanical differential locks, an electronic sway bar disconnect system, and the ability to wade through nearly a meter of water. Yet inside, the Tank 700 transforms into a luxury sanctuary. Wrapped in ultra-premium Napa leather, real aluminum trim, and advanced displays, the cabin feels worlds apart from its exterior. Active noise cancellation and double-layer acoustic glass reduce cabin noise to just 38 decibels, making even the harshest terrain feel serene. Breaking into the top 3 is the Ito M9L, the crown jewel of Huawei's partnership with Series. This SUV represents the ultimate expression of the software-defined vehicle. Built around Huawei's ADS 3.0 autonomous driving system, the M9L uses high-definition LiDAR, millimeter-wave radar, and advanced camera systems to perceive the road with superhuman accuracy. It navigates dense urban traffic and unmapped rural roads with the smoothness of a professional chauffeur. The technology extends even to the headlights. Huawei's intelligent projection lighting system can project high-contrast navigation arrows directly onto the road, or even display a movie on a nearby wall during outdoor camping. Inside, Harmony OS 4.0 seamlessly connects your smartphone, car, and smart home. With its 800-volt silicon carbide platform, the electric version of the M9L can add up to 150 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. This isn't just an SUV. It's a rolling supercomputer. At number 2 is the Zeekr 9X, the hyper SUV that shatters everything you thought you knew about performance. Built on Geely's high-end architecture, this 5.2-meter giant produces a jaw-dropping 1,030 horsepower, thanks to its quad-motor super hybrid system. It launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it faster than a Tesla Model X Plaid and more powerful than a Lamborghini Urus. Yet the Zeekr 9X isn't just about straight-line speed. Its AI-controlled digital chassis predicts road conditions before the tires even touch the surface, keeping the vehicle flat and composed through corners like a sports sedan. Inside, Scandinavian-inspired luxury takes center stage, with zero-gravity lounge seats, a 3,800-watt NIME audio system with speakers in the headrests and ultra-fast 500 kilowatt charging. Finally, at number 1, we reach the vehicle that stunned the global automotive industry, the BYD Yangwang U8. Powered by BYD's revolutionary E4 platform, the U8 features 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel, producing a combined 1,180 horsepower and 1,280 newton-meters of torque. Because each wheel is controlled individually, the U8 can perform tank turns, crab walk sideways, and do something no other SUV can truly match. In emergency situations, the U8 can float. Its sealed body allows it to remain buoyant for up to 30 minutes, using its spinning wheels to paddle back to safety. For 2026, BYD partnered with DJI to create a drone edition, featuring a climate-controlled roof dock that launches a drone at the press of a button. The drone scouts the terrain ahead, follows the vehicle, and lands back on the roof to recharge automatically. Inside, the Yangwang U8 feels more like a command center than an SUV, with a curved OLED display, a massive augmented reality head-up display, and even a medical-grade oxygen generator for high-altitude driving. This vehicle doesn't challenge the rules of the road. It ignores them entirely. From NIO's 3-minute battery swaps to Zeekr's hyper-SUV performance and BYD's floating drone-launching flagship, these 6 vehicles prove one undeniable truth. The center of the automotive world has shifted. In 2026, the question is no longer whether China can build great cars. The real question is whether the rest of the world can keep up. So, which of these machines would you choose for your ultimate garage? Are you drawn to Huawei's software-driven intelligence, or does the raw power of a 1,000-horsepower SUV call your name? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because the future of SUVs isn't coming. It's already here.